Good morning, Gladiators. It's Thursday, September 17th, and I'm going to go over today's activities. It's really important that you pay attention because there are 2 activities in the folder, but only 1 is a required activity. So if we look, the first one, it says Periodic Table and Atoms Review. For this, you are going to go through the document, filling in whatever's missing. Now, if we look right here, you're talking all about the atom. Below, the subatomic particles. For the picture, remember you have to edit, so click on it and choose Edit, and then you type in the boxes. The next set of questions is all about the periodic table. Fill in your answers over here. Below that, you see a diagram of the periodic table. I need you to describe the properties of metals, metalloids, and nonmetals. Remember, you have this information in your IMB. The next section is just a review of 8-man. So complete 8-man for sodium and 8-man for neon. I've given you the Bohr models. I just want you to identify the number of valence electrons and then tell me, would you consider this highly reactive or not, and explain why. Now, when you finish this, there is another assignment in the drive, and it says, where's Al? Now, you notice it says this is an optional assignment. So if we look at where's Al is an abstract way to look at the periodic table, and it can be kind of confusing. So if we look at the diagram, each of these little characters represents an element on the periodic table. Their features also represent parts of the periodic table. Over here in the pink area, you'll just make your observations. When you go to the next slide, you're filling in the group numbers. Over here in the green, the period numbers in purple, and then in the red box, the symbols. You're going to use this diagram to answer the questions. So what do the arms represent? What are the fingers? This you see is a drag and drop. Your answer choices are right over here. You would just click the box and drag it into the correct location. Below that are questions about the patterns. Type in the boxes. And then finally, we had one cousin missing. So if you look back at our picture, there's nobody here. So we have to fill in the information about cousin Al. How many arms should he have? How many fingers, hairs, so on, based on the patterns on the periodic table. Extra bonus here if you can actually draw in Al. I'm not going to count it wrong if you can't. Now, if you have any issues, please feel free to give me a message or send me an email, and I will get back with you. Have a great day, Gladiators.